Hey, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope you're having a good day. So this is oatmeal, and it has raisins and bananas in it. And now I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon and vanilla, just to give it a little extra oomph. Hold on. I don't measure really. So I just poured some in there. I don't know how much. Maybe that was a quarter of a teaspoon or so. I don't know. And I'm going to add a few nuts to give it some crunch. Add those on top, just a few. All right. I have some dates too, but I don't need the dates and the raisins, so I'm fine with this. But I hope that this is helpful if you decide to switch up your oatmeal a little bit. Love y'all. Later.